Hello, kids! Today I'm back with another interesting and inspirational poem, that is The Song of the Engine by Christine Weatherly. Let's get started. Alright, when you travel on the railway and the lines go up the hill, just listen to the engine as it pulls you with a will. Children, these lines express the experience of traveling through a railway. If you have ever traveled through a railway, you must have observed that when the train has to go up on a hill, or you can say the train has to go upside, it becomes quite slow. It's because its engine has to work really hard to pull the train up. But the engine doesn't give up because the engine is determined that it can do it. It will not give up easily. So, likewise, whenever some difficult situation or a task comes in front of us, we should keep our will strong and should never give up. Alright, now let's read further. Though it goes so very slowly, it sings this little song. I think I can, and so it goes along. So, as you know, the train is going up very slowly because its engine is facing great difficulty to pull it. But still, to motivate itself, it's singing a beautiful song that is, I think I can, I think I can. That means it is trying to boost its morale by thinking in its head that it can do it. Okay? Similarly, in difficult situations, we should also do the same, rather giving up without even trying once. We should say to ourselves that we can do it, isn't it? Okay, let's read ahead. But later on the journey, when you are going down a hill, the train requires no pulling and the engine singing still. So, after some time, when the train starts moving down the hill, you must have observed it becomes quite fast because now the engine does not have to make that much efforts. But still the engine has not stopped singing. Okay? So in our life also, when some hard situation comes and when we cross that situation successfully by motivating ourselves, after that everything goes smooth. Okay? Moving on to the next page. If you listen very quietly, you will hear the little song, I thought I could, and so it speeds along. So, if you observe and listen silently, you will hear a little song. Now, the engine is talking to himself and realizing his success that he thought that he can do it, and so he did. And the speed of the train increases accordingly. Alright, now moving ahead to its back exercise. So, children, what do we learn from this poem? That we should never lose hope. Okay, we should keep on trying. We should never give up. Okay, we should keep our will strong. Okay, let's discuss its back exercise now. In part A, you have to complete the sentences with correct answers from the poem. First one is, the engine pulls you with a will. Okay. Then second one is, when the train requires no pulling, the engine keeps singing still. Fine. Then in part B, you are given two sentences. You have to tick on that sentence that describe the meaning of the sentence, I think I can. So first one is, the engine believes it can go up the hill. Next is, the engine does not want to go up the hill. So the correct option is the first one. The engine believes it can go up the hill. Okay. Then in part C, you have to write any two rhyming words of the given words. The first word is hill. Rhymes can be will, still. Then comes song. Along, strong. Then good. It can be good, would. You may write any other rhyming words also. Alright. Now, this is the reference to the context or the RTC of this poem. Here we have taken the first 4 lines of the poem. That is, when you travel on the railway and the lines go up the hill, just listen to the engine as it pulls you with a will. I have just written first 2 and the last 3 words of this poem, of this paragraph, instead of writing all the lines of this stanza. Fine. So the first question is, name the poem. Answer to this will be, the name of the poem is The Song of the Engine. Then the next question is, where do the lines go? Here lines means the railway lines. So the lines go up the hill. Then write opposite of the word come. It will be go. Then in the fourth question you have to write the plural of the word hill. It will be hills. Then in the last question you have to make a sentence with the word railway. You may write any sentence, whatever you feel easy. I have written, where is the railway station? Fine. Now, just have a look at the homework. This is the practice worksheet of the topic simple past tense. In this, you have to change these sentences into past tense by choosing the correct form of verb from the brackets. Alright, well, this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the poem and find the video useful. Thank you.